thank you for being a part of DECA. We're so proud of you. I'm looking forward to this competition today. I want to say a huge thank you to Duquesne and our partners at the SBDC.
I'm Rich Longo. I'm the director of the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center, and it is with great pleasure that we now host this event for now the third year in a row.
Fellow DECA members, you have worked hard preparing for this moment. We hope that you have enjoyed your experience today. During the next few moments, you will all find out the results of the competition. You should all be proud to have just shown up and done your best. Safe travels on your way home, and thank you all for coming. Congratulations.